Hey guys, F-Stars18 Extra here. Welcome with a new YouTube video. Well, not new, but it's a series carrying on like Ravel Morrison, the player which he could have been the greatest England player, but now he's in Jamaica. And it is just back in the day football. And yeah, his goal tally for this season. And he's playing for West Brom and everything. And yeah, against Barcelona, let's see how the geese do. And it's a away leg. Let's see. Rafael got the ball. Pass it. Oh, very good accuracy. Very good accuracy. And then it. Oh, well. It came as a flop. Okay. Oh no, that's not good. Oh no, they scored. Oh, shoot, Barca scored. No. Alright, that's the end of the first leg. That's icky. That's very icky. But Arsenal's next. We just got to bounce back. Send it. Nice. Perfect. Oh no, we can't be having this. Okay, you got a chance, you gonna score? Oh, he scored it. Brilliant goal. Hit the ball. Nice. Yes. He scored again. Rafael message for Barcelona is, we're coming for you. Alright, let's get some training in on his pace. What? Okay. Lovely doubly. Yeah. Oh. Okay, the chance will come. Got chance to dribble it, come on, Morrison. Yes. Oh, hit the post. No, they can't be missing it. Okay. Come on. Hey, West Brom, we need to speed it up. Actually. Nice. Okay. There's still time. There's still time left to do this. Invincible. Can it get to the player? Oh no! Come on, score. No! I guess it's going to be Barcelona versus Real Madrid in the final, but fair play to West Brom, fair play to the team. The boys played good. They just had an answer for everything. Yeah. Southampton. No, not gonna play. I'll just do training. Not train actually. Yeah, be on the bench for this one. Rest up. Let's go. Oh no. What's going on, Rafael? You can't be doing this now. It's the energy. You can't slip up. Go, golazo. He scored. The kid scored again. Even though Chelsea should win too many games. Oof. What do Rafa need to do to be in the England team? I get my man to train, yes. Dribbling past it. Yes, big game. Let's go. Ball and half. Time's ticking. Come on. What's wrong? No. Wow. Okay. So the teammate shoots. No. Oh. I could have taken a chance, but oh well, nothing we can do about it. And Chelsea have won. Well, ladies and gentlemen, your Premier League winners is Chelsea. Yeah. Just play this game for fun. Everton. Sending the pass to the player. Beautiful. That's a good ball. Sending it. Goal. No. Oh no. No. Oh, he could score this. Okay, let me think. Come on. No. Oh, assist. Let's go. Yeah. Well, Chelsea won the league. Man City's the final game. And they score. Goalie. Dribbling past the City players. No. Oh. Yep. End of the season it was. Damn. Is it time for him to move back to West Ham, Ravel? Or is United going to take him? Oh, let's see what teams are interested in him in the Prem. Huddersfield. No. No, that's a mockery. Huddersfield. No. Are they actually joking? They could be relegated. Let's see if they give him the money. High money, and he'll draw in. Oh my days. Yeah. This is alright, friend. Wait, are you joking me? No teams in the Champions League want him except Leipzig. That's an interesting one. Wait, let me check. Do the Barcelona's want him? Do like the Real Madrid want him? Surely. Yeah, but no. He's saying he's gonna stay. He's gonna stay in West Brom. He's gonna stay. They're in the Champions League, so he may as well stay. Okay, CSK Moscow, that's a little bit of a hint. Okay, Swansea, That's how Arsenal, Chelsea, Spurs, and United. Oh, okay, they're the big ones. Yeah, but this was a very interesting episode. Get some boots as well for the season. Yeah. Yeah, this is interesting. 29 years old. He's doing good and everything. Yeah, this is. Yeah, check the trophies. He got a decent amount of trophies, but this season is very important for him because he needs to get that opportunity to play in the Euros. But this could, he's 29, still in his prime, but this could be realistically his last opportunity playing in football something. Yeah. Yes. Well, seems like Ravel Morrison is playing for DC United at the age of 30. But it's an interesting one, even though he is actually a good player, but he could have done so much better. But yeah. I'm gonna have to I had a call from very someone mysterious because I posted something on my social media trying to tell the truth because they're gonna be like, oh, they're gonna get the police on me, which I'm like, okay, I'll listen, but I'll tell you this, I'm the real guy. I'm keeping it real. This channel's real. My social media's real, and what I post is real. So I don't care. They want to try to, the Matrix want to try to silence me. They're gonna do they have to try even harder to silence me. So it's funny that they try to silence me, but I knew that silencing me ain't gonna help. And also, it's okay because, yeah, that's what I had to say. Call from a mysterious, anonymous call. I'm not gonna say who it was, even though they never just specify their name, but might remember the voice from somewhere. I, but anyway, the Ravel Morrison thing, he's in DC United right now, and yeah, but yeah, oh yeah, oh Harry Kane, okay, he scores. Oh, let's go, yes, Kane, but hope he wins trophies for once in his life. And also, Rafael Morrison, I hope in real life he comes back to United or to any team, but in this series, he might throw back DC United to pair up with Wayne Rooney. You never know. You never know what's coming from him. The back in the day, Rafael Morrison. So I hope all of you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and peace. And SSC Network is out.